Hello kids, today we will draw a cute watermelon ice cream. So let's start. First draw a straight line, like this. Now make it curvy, on the tip. Well done, now draw another straight line. Just draw like me, and don't make any mistake. Now draw a big curve, and connect it to the other end. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw another big curved line inside it. Well done, now draw the ice cream stick. Draw a line, then draw another line. Just its parallel, and connect it. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now let's draw a cute face. First draw the eye. Draw a big circle, like this. Now slowly and carefully fill the color. Lastly, draw 2 eyelashes, and it's done. Good job, now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing. First draw the big circle. Then slowly fill the color. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Well done, we complete the drawing. Now let's make it more cute. Draw a heart shape on left side, like this. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, now draw another heart shape on right side also. Look how great it's looking. So let's color it. First use green color and color the lower part, like this. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. What? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, now use red color and color the ice cream. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then fill the color. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Color left and right, left and right, and it's done. Don't color the eye and mouth. Look how beautiful it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now use red color and color the heart shape. Color the heart shape carefully, just like this. Well done, now let's color the other heart shape also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now use brown color and color the ice cream stick. Look how delicious it's looking. Now use black color and draw some seed. Draw it like water drop, and it's done. Just draw some here and there, and it's complete. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now use white color and draw a line like this. Draw the line carefully and don't color the outline. Draw another line on green part, just like this. Now draw a circle on the eye and fill the color. Now draw another circle, but make it small. Good job, now draw the circle on the other eye also. Just draw 2 white circles, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how delicious it's looking. I love to eat watermelon ice cream. It's very cold and tasty. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.